how to stop someone from stealing your precious t-shirt designs. I got some answers coming up right now. What's up, guys? Gary and Janae, t-shirthelpdesk.com. You know, in my comments, inbox, DMs, one of the questions that I get and have been getting for years is, how can I stop people from stealing my t-shirt designs? I know that all of us who are in the t-shirt industry or who are trying to get into the t-shirt industry is something that we're all going to have to deal with at some point. Now, I'm about to give you an answer, but it might not necessarily be the answer that you want to hear. The fact of the matter is, when it comes to stopping people from stealing your t-shirt designs, you can't. Now, I know that's not the answer that you wanted to hear, but when it comes to people stealing your t-shirt designs, I don't believe that anything is impossible, but that comes pretty damn close to it. The reason being is because technically all they have to do is look at the design and recreate it, okay? Or have someone who's good at designing recreate it, okay? There's nothing technically that you can do to prevent it, but there are things and precautions that you can take to protect yourself. All right, guys, I'm about to get into some stuff, but please know I am not an attorney, so the information that I'm about to give you is for anecdotal and entertainment purposes only, all right? So let's get into it. All right, guys, the thing that you can do is copyright your t-shirt designs. This gives you some form of legal protection in case the evildoers come and steal your artwork. Now, this is the deal. A lot of you guys are really confused about trademark and copyright, okay? It's they're very, very different, and they give you two different protections. So before we get into copyright, let's break down simply some of the differences. All right, guys, I'm gonna do my best to explain this as simply as I can. A trademark is a brand identifier, okay? It gives you legal protections to protect your brand identifier, meaning the name, a word, a phrase, a logo, all right? It's like your signature, okay? Let's just say your name is Bobby Ishkabibble, okay? And you want to protect the name Bobby Ishkabibble in the t-shirt genre, and your logo could be like your signature, okay? It pretty much protects you so that no one else can come along and say that they're Bobby Ishkabibble, all right, and put some stuff up and people go over there and start buying your stuff. It's just a way to protect yourself so that you can protect your name and who you are in the marketplace. All right, now a copyright, that's what we're really getting into here. That's what you're gonna use to protect your t-shirt designs, okay? Now let's just say you have a design like this, okay? And you can take this and you can copyright it, okay? As long as it is an original work of art that is in a fixed and tangible form, okay? What that means is that it has to be something that's been drawn or created or song or something that is you can look at or hear. It can't be an idea. Ideas cannot be copyrighted, okay? It has to be something that you actually created, that you've manifested, okay? That people can look at or hear, okay? Also, a thing that you need to know is if you're getting something copyrighted, you cannot copyright phrases and words, okay? It's only for like art when it comes to a design, okay? You can't copyright words in a design. For that, you're gonna have to trademark, all right? That's something that you have to know. Okay, the second that you create your artwork, technically you have a common law copyright, Okay, some people like to put it in an envelope and mail it to themselves, and they call that the poor man's copyright, which is fine. You can use that, but let's just say someone does use your designs and you take them to court. You can't actually get any damages, okay? You can maybe stop them from doing it, but you can't recoup the money that he or she may have made off of your design. For that, you're gonna have to register your artwork with the government, okay? You're gonna have to get an actual copyright. And where you get that from is copyright.gov, okay? It is a great service. You can go, and it's between 25 to 55 bucks, depending on what you're having copyrighted. So make it happen. Also, if there's, you know, because there's legal jargon and stuff in there, if that's too much, you can go two places. You can go to LegalZoom, and that's for the people who are hands off, because if you make a mistake or something, you could possibly lose your money and have to do it all over again. But it's up to you, okay? You can't stop people from actually stealing your designs, but you can protect your designs and maybe take those bastards to court, all right? So that is it. Gary Egenet, I hope you learned something for this, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, cheers to your t-shirts. I'm finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. Until next time, peace. It says, everybody, hey, if you're in this, don't use Bobby is...